हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस। सो गाइस, व्हाट इज जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस? So it is a peculiar form of business organization which is found in India. In this form, all the members of joint Hindu family do business jointly under the control of the head of the family, which is known as the Karta. The joint Hindu family business comes into existence by the operation of Hindu law, and the members of the family are known as the co-partners. So friends, इस बिजनेस फॉर्म के अंदर सारे मेंबर्स मिलके काम करते हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं, और जो कंट्रोल होता है वो फैमिली के हेड के पास होता है, जिसे हम कर्ता कहते हैं। एंड जो फैमिली के मेंबर्स होते हैं, they are known as the co-partners. Now there are two schools of Hindu laws in India. First is the Dayabhaga system and the second is Mithakshara system. So in the Dayabhaga system, it is found in the Bengal and Assam. Second, which was Mithakshara system, it is found in the rest of the India. Then the business of a joint Hindu family is managed by the senior most male member or father. He is known as the Karta or manager. As the head of the joint Hindu family business, the Karta has full control over the affairs of the family business and serves as the custodian of the firm's assets. Now बात करते हैं features of a joint Hindu family business. So the first feature is membership by birth. A person becomes members of the family business as a result of his birth in the family, and every member has an equal share in the family forms irrespective of age. So in this point, जो भी पर्सन जब फैमिली में बर्थ लेता है तो वो फैमिली के साथ साथ एज अ बिज़नेस का भी मेंबर बन जाता है, एंड हर मेंबर का जो बिज़नेस के अंदर इक्वल शेयर होता है, हर एक मेंबर्स को इक्वल शेयर मिलता है. देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मेल एंड फीमेल मेंबर्स. बोथ सन्स एंड द डॉटर्स हैव co-partners interest in the family businesses. Female relatives of a deceased co-partners can also claim a share in the family property. Now the third point is management by Karta. So the Karta or the head of the family alone has the right to manage the business, and other members don't take part in the management of the business. Means इस पॉइंट में जो फैमिली का हेड होता है, जो करता होता है, हैज़ अलोन द राइट, सिर्फ उसी के पास ये राइट होता है कि वो बिज़नेस को मैनेज करे, और जो अदर मेंबर्स होते हैं उनको ये राइट नहीं होता है कि वो बिज़नेस को मैनेज करें. नाउ द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज़ लाइबिलिटीज. सो द लाइबिलिटी ऑफ द कर्ता इज़ अनलिमिटेड and it extended to all that he owns as his private or separate property. So in this business, जो कर्ता की जो लाइबिलिटीज़ होती है वो अनलिमिटेड होती है, एज अ कंपेयर अगर हम अदर मेंबर्स के कंपेयर में देखें तो अदर मेंबर्स की जो लाइबिलिटीज़ होती है वो लिमिटेड होती है. Now the next point is minor members. A person born in a family automatically becomes members in the joint Hindu family firm. इस बिज़नेस के अंदर जब भी कोई पर्सन बोर्न होता है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली ही फैमिली के मेंबर्स के साथ साथ बिज़नेस का भी मेंबर्स बन जाता है. देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ कंटिन्यूड एग्जिस्टेंस. The death or insolvency of co-partners or even that of the Karta does not affect the existence of a joint Hindu family business. The business can be dissolved through mutual agreement amongst all the co-partners. Now the next point is governed by Hindu law. The rights and duties of the members of a joint Hindu family business are governed by the Hindu Succession Act 1956. Now the last point is registration not necessary. In the joint Hindu family business, it is not compulsory to get a joint Hindu family business registered. Now बात करते हैं merits of joint Hindu family business. So the first merit is easy formation. A joint Hindu family business comes into existence by operation of law, and there is no legal formalities are required to establish it. Now the next is freedom of action. The Karta enjoy full freedom of action as he can run the business without interference of other members of the family. This promotes quick decision and promote action. सो इन दिस बिजनेस कर्ता को फुल फ्रीडम दी जाती है कि वो अपना बिजनेस अपने अकॉर्डिंगली चला सकता है बिना किसी अदर मेंबर्स की सलाह लिए. नाउ द थर्ड मेरिट इज लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी. सो द ऑल co-partners except the karta enjoy the benefit of limited liability. Unlimited liability of the karta inspires him to make the best effort for the success of the family business. Next point is mutual cooperation. So the benefit of specialization can be obtained by dividing the total work amongst the co-partners in accordance with their individual knowledge and capability. Then the next point is secrecy. So the secrets of the business remains confined to the karta. Now the next is stability. So a joint into family firms enjoy continuity of operations as its existence is not subject to the death or insolvency of co-partners. Now the last point is credit worthiness. A joint into family firm enjoy greater credit worthiness than a sole proprietorship. नाउ बात करते हैं डीमेरिट्स ऑफ जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस. सो द फर्स्ट डीमेरिट इज लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. द फाइनेंशियल एंड मैनेजर रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द फर्म आर लिमिटेड, therefore a little scope for the growth and diversification for business. Next is scope for misuse. The karta has unchallenged authority to manage the business. He may misuse this freedom for his personal benefits or gains. Next is unfair to co-partners, since the karta has an exclusive control over the management of the business. Other co-partners get no opportunity to exercise initiative and judgment. So in the joint in the family business, in this point unfair to co-partners, इसमें जो भी कंट्रोल होता है वो ओवर द कर्ता के हाथ में होता है एंड जो अदर मेंबर्स होते हैं उनको कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं होती कि वो अपने राइट से कुछ भी बिजनेस को मैनेज कर सकें. देन द लास्ट पॉइंट इज़ फियर ऑफ डिसइंटीग्रेशन. सो disputes and quarrels amongst the co-partners on controversial matters may lead to breakups of the family business. सो अगर आपस में मेंबर्स में अगर झगड़े होते हैं तो उससे बिज़नेस का भी ब्रेकअप होने का खतरा रहता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू.